Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO 2-piece adjustable wrench set. Okay, so we can see we got our 6-inch and our 10-inch. These are probably the two most common style wrenches that you're going to be using. The 6-inch, in my opinion, is probably the most useful tool that you're going to have, just because of the portability, the ability to actually get that inside of a tight area, and plus it's just going to cover most of the bolts that you're going to run into. It does have a gauge on the side of it that goes from 0 to a 3/4. And it does open up just past the 3/4, so almost all the way to a 1-inch. On the other side, we got metric, and that goes up to a 24. So what I find that is mostly useful for is if I need to get the gauge on some material, I can just measure that out, and then I know that that is a 1/2 inch. So here with the 10-inch boy, this is much larger. They both have a fairly smooth feeling adjustment, and this one goes up to just past 1 1/4, and on the other side it goes up to a 35. So if you need to deal with some larger style nuts and bolts, or if you just need to have a lot more leverage, this is going to be the tool that you want for that. They both have rubber hanging hooks, so if you want to hang these things up, you can do that. What I mostly use these for is just for getting extra leverage on Allen, so I can put the Allen key in there, and then whenever I pull on that, that will give me that extra torque that I need. So if you need something that you can just carry around, having two of these especially, so you can hold the bolt with one side and you hold the nut with the other, with this, you basically got a full set of wrenches. And if we look closely at the jaw, we can see those little lines in there. That means that this is actually a machined surface. That means this is going to be perfectly flat. It's also flat on the edges, so if you need to grab something lengthwise and then turn it like that, you can do that. So yeah, this looks like a very nice wrench. And I do really like the rubber handle on here. So for something like this, there we go. Doesn't matter what the size is, we got the right tool for it. So yeah, these are some awesome adjustable wrenches.